Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and this little world of tutorials. And yes, I'm having fun here with my great little sparrow here from Anchor Guitars. If you're interested in getting one of these, then check out my coupon code for 10% off. Now, obviously, you're interested in learning this song from OneRepublic. It's called Invincible with the Kaiju number 8. Let's take a look at this song here, and we're gonna use a capo set on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have 3 different chords to learn, so let's go into it. And we're gonna look into F, E minor, and A minor, and that's what's rolling. All right, so first chord F, it's a bar chord. You have the index finger, you're crossing all strings there on the first fret, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord is the E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Now let's look into the strumming, and I like to really incorporate the beat when I teach out the tutorials here because I want you to be independent. So that means you play the sound, the guitar, but also give the beat, and that's a little bit of more a full package to perform a song. So that's what I'm gonna teach you now. We're gonna start with F. So you're gonna play down, up, clap. Okay, so like that. So down, up, clap. Then you go over to the E minor and play up, up, clap. And that's it for E minor. So far, down, up, clap, up, up, clap. And then finally you will go into the A minor and play up, up, clap, and then again up, up, clap, up. So up, up, clap 2 times and then an extra up. So a lot of ups here, and I feel that is more natural for this song, how the hand goes and how it sounds as well. So A minor, up, up, clap, up, up, clap, up. And that's it. So if we go from the beginning, you have F, then E minor and A minor like this. Practice slowly, and then eventually go into standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, it probably will play better than me. I slipped on 1 chord there. Anyway, I think you understand the idea here. F, E minor, A minor, that's what's rolling from the beginning till the very end. Good luck with this one, guys, and hope to see you soon here again. Till next time, play tuned.